In a game, there are two kinds of tokens, those worth 3 points each and those worth 5 points each. Ken's tokens are worth a total of 585 points. What is the greatest number of tokens Ken could have? So the greatest number of tokens. So in order to have the greatest number of tokens, well, we know he has 585 points. So we care about the actual number of tokens. So he's going to have more tokens is if he can get as many of these points as possible with the 3 points tokens. Because the 3-point tokens, you need more tokens to get to the same number of points. So what we need to do is think about, well, given that this is the number of points that he has, what's the maximum number of 3-point tokens he could have? And so one way to think about that is what's the multiple of 3 that is less than or equal to this, but not greater than that. And multiples of 3 you can figure out by adding the digits right over here. So 585, if you were to add the digits, you get to, actually, the digits add up to 18. So 5 plus 8 plus 5 equals 18. And so because 18 is divisible by 3, this thing is divisible by 3. And so actually, this is actually a multiple of 3. All of his tokens could have been 3-point tokens. And so if that were the case, let's see, 3 goes into 585. Let's see, 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. You have a 2. Bring down the 8. 3 goes into 28 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract. You have a 1. Bring down a 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you don't have any remainder, which is what we expected because we established that this is divisible by 3. And so the greatest number of tokens Ken could have, well, the greatest number would be if they're all 3-point tokens. And so that is 195 tokens.